Okay, this is a very basic Excel spreadsheet. All right, so I got some data over here, and I have some formulas over here. So very simple: multiply, plus, and so forth. Okay, but I want to show the formula. Of course, some people will say, "Oh, you put your mouse over here, all right, and then you click this bar over here, you can see the formula." But I will only see one formula. What if I want to see all of it? This one is a different formula. Right? This one is a multiply. This one is a plus. Right? Okay. So if I want to show the formula, right, usually you'll be at the home tab. You just go to the formula tab. It's not under the view. Right? It's not under the view. Go to the formula tab. You should see this thing here. Show formula. Of course, there is a shortcut key, but you can play around with it. This allow you to see the formulas. All right. And what if I print it? Okay, let's say I do a print. See this? You can see the formula and print it out. Right. You can see the formula and print it out. Right. Of course, I'm printing it to a PDF, but it will work also if you print it to an actual printer. Right. Of course, now I'm not going to print it out. But this is how you make all the formulas inside your sheet, okay, visible.